global funds category, international funds, which are investing in, whether it's US equities or maybe you even have some greater China funds and whatnot. Now here as well, this category was first taxed at our slab rate, but now it's going to be taxed at 12.5% if the holding period is 2 years or longer. So Mohit, this sounds great. But, correct me if I'm wrong, a lot of funds were not taking any fresh money because of certain limits being hit already.
Yeah.
So is it even possible to invest right now?
It is. It is. Quite a number of funds are accepting fresh investments. Few are accepting only as SIPs and few are open for both lump sum purchases and SIPs. It depends on the contours of the fund. Funds which are purely ETF based, those are the ones where the limit has got busted and those are the ones which have stopped. But funds which are actively managing their allocations, perhaps directly investing into stocks or international stocks directly, those are the ones which are typically open. There is a whole list of funds, but I think category as a whole, Surabhi, has got a huge impetus. And needless to say, for an Indian investor, it's absolutely must to have a global diversification. Given the profile of our currency, which has been depreciating against the US dollar for almost last 20 years, if you see the track record, the depreciation has been on an annualized rate around 3 to 3.5%. If you want to counter that, if you want to have a real hedge against the country risk or the sovereign risk, or you just want to create a corpus offshore for your children's education or for anything, let's say, I think this is a great avenue available to retail investors, that you go out and invest in international funds. Again, this category got completely out of flavor last year when the taxation was changed, and now it's come back into reckoning with full power and full force. And I think all investors should definitely look at diversifying abroad.
Your favorite funds here?
Look, many. Honestly, I like the Edelweiss US Technology Fund. I like the DSP Global Innovation Fund. These are all active ones. But on the passive side, I like the NASDAQ fund of funds, which currently the open one is only Motilal. I think they're accepting SIPs out there. So if someone wants to buy NASDAQ directly, I think that's a good avenue to go for.
Make informed decisions with comprehensive analysis on the go.
Strengthen your portfolio with real-time market updates on the go. Create effective strategies with insightful expert opinions on the go.
Grow on the go with CNBC-TV18, now streaming live 24/7 on YouTube.
For more news and updates, all you need to do is follow CNBC-TV18 on all of our digital platforms.